friend.
I wear it. I hope you wear that na. I hope you wear that na. Diba?
Thank you.
Now na.
Now. Wear it now.
Now it's cold now. Thank you very much, ladies.
Welcome.
You don't have to do this.
Don't forget us, huh?
So you will not
So
forget us.
if you remember, if you
I will not forget you.
you wear this one, you always remember us.
Of course. Thank you.
Register!
And I want to read the card.
Huh? Yes.
Yeah,
The video.
Don't cry na daw, ha?
Hi!
Di ba? Don't cry.
Tara tita't na itich eh.
Ito na mga pasaway.
Di ba? Ano sila? Ipunta mo daw ang screen.
So sad naman.
Madam, read loud. Ilan taong ka?
One by one.
Loud. Okay, yalla. Miss Dima, thank you for everything. We will miss you. Judith. Miss Dima, we will miss you. Take care. Shella.
Present.
Miss Dima, Madam, thank you for everything. Memories. Love that you gave us. We miss you. Rosette. Miss Dima, we miss you. Good luck to your married life. We wish you happiness and may baby come.
Video yan, video.
Across the room, I can see it and can't stop.
Rowena. Okay, the R is not. Yes.
Di ba? Sino ba kinibinidyohan mo?
Dima. Hi. Thank you for being a good manager to us. We'll miss you. Don't forget us. Love, Shirley. Well, this is very bad handwriting. I cannot read it. We miss you. Take care.
Catherine?
This is
Copy.
Tati. Miss Dima, we miss you and good luck. Take care. Always, Rosalie. Rosalie. Miss Dima, wish you all the what? Wish you all the best
Naka-record siya.
of success
Yes.
in life. Thank you and good and God bless.
Annali.
Thank you, Annali. What is this, Annali? This word? All the
Summit of success.
Summit.
Madami.
Well, here Ines.
Dapat may nabili.
Composition.
Compulsive. Mahaba talaga
Thank
kaya.
you a lot for all the best things that you have done for us, and it is really great pleasure working with you, with your assistance, with your
Bakit di
able to
ko
make a very good team. Wish you all the
Teacher
best, and
Miss.
God bless you always.
Magkamukha na sila. Marap ka rito, boy! Huwag ka tama.
Dima, good luck.
Minsan lang kinuna, tao pa ng tao.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
I am seeing all the pictures.
This is all your babies.
Okay, girls, thank you very much, and we will keep in touch.
Always remember us, ha? I will apply, madam.
Okay, apply. I am sitting at home. Come and join me. Okay, thank you. Yalla, hope to see you in a better position.
Yes.
I hope you have
I will
to
let you know, Madam Paul.
You have to work on yourself in order to reach.
Yes.
Don't wait for anybody to push you. Okay?
Madam, Miss Mary, I'm crying.
No, don't cry.
Oh.
She will ask you.
Ayaw niya umiyak, malis na.
Ayaw, iyak, iyak.